We made it. We might make it. Always running. We did it. We're doing it.
Please stand.
Don't go too far.
I'm just gonna keep going. Back in that way.
We did it. We made it. We're here.
Safe flight.
Yes. Foggy. So foggy. Oh my goodness. But we're here. And we have to leave the Security area. Beautiful giant Christmas tree. Right across is Mickey. We had a lovely, lovely trip. Lots of turbulence, but that's okay. We got really lucky with no one sitting next to us.
Yeah, it was on Southwest. That was pretty...
Super full flight, but we got lucky.
But we were all the way in the back.
Yeah.
The back.
Yeah, true. And now we are heading over to the Magical Express. We're gonna let Disney take care of our bags. We don't have any clickety-clackies, but we can listen to other people's clicky-clacks. How do you feel? Like, just your backpack?
I really,
does it feel so weird?
It feels really weird. I want to know if they're gonna let us ride a different... Well, we're going to Hollywood Studios. I don't know what resort would be best to go.
I think we still need to have to ride our bus.
We're gonna find out. We're almost there. Lucky number. Them shiny shoes, though.
Is that what you wanted?
Perfect. Out of focus, but perfect. By the time people are going to be seeing this, it'll probably be January 2019 or 2020.
Party of two, Anthony and Lyndsay.
Yep.
B44. Enjoy your day.
Si sus maletas se encuentran a bordo, asegúrese de recogerlas al llegar a su destino.
We're at Disney.
And use the handrails as you disembark.
We're on property. We're never leaving. We're never leaving.
As they tell us about how to leave on the Magical Express to go home.
We're never leaving.
Help you make the most.
Here we are. Already got stickers. Yay. We are set up. Mirna at the front desk hooked us up with some buttons and a new room. I'm so excited.
One of the renovated rooms in the 90s.
Yeah.
Pavilion.
90s pavilion. Oh my gosh. Let's check out the tree. I'm so excited to see it. It's like fun, old school.
Yeah.
So exciting. So cute. Aw, that's fun. Ooh, add that guy on Snapchat apparently. I guess you can decorate your own little ornament and put it on here.
With your Snapchat.
That's so funny. What are we gonna do now?
I think get something to eat.
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
Get a snack now, go to the room, drop stuff off, go to Hollywood.
Perfect. Cool. To the pop shop.
Action. So here we are at the Pop dining room. We got a slice of monster pepperoni. It's not that monstrous, but it's alright.
Yeah.
Also watch out, my gums on the bottom of this plate.
Cool.
And a Caesar salad
yes.
for $10.49.
Nice. And then we also bought a case of water to take back to the room so that we can begin the hydration. So we're on our way to our room. Really excited. So it's like the farthest out building. It's really close to the bus stop. Like the bus stop is just right over there across from that parking lot. So it'll be really convenient. And then there's the computer pool right here, but I don't think we'll be needing it. But it's here and it's newly refurbished.
Bam!
It's a
Bam!
woohoo!
Smash!
Yeah, do the honors. I'm so excited.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Whoa!
Whoa! Holy cow! There's so much room in here.
Yeah.
For like such a small room.
What do you think?
It looks nice.
Wow.
Kind of dark, but nice.
It's dark right now. We'll get some lights on.
Is that, there's a Murphy bed in there, yeah?
Yes! We'll do a full tour here in a second after we're done freaking out.
Oh, holy cow.
It looks so nice and new.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Way different.
Everything's cool. Hardwood floors. Well, probably not real hardwoods, but you know, not carpet.
Not carpet.
So fun.
Dang. Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
I want to do the full room tour now?
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib, y'all.
Bam, 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 bam.
We got tables with 2 chairs, which is perfect for the 2 of us.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't even know where to start.
We need to like see this room more before we give a tour of it. Yeah, you come in and you have like your kitchenette. Mini fridge, lights up real nice.
Some
cool
creamers,
drawer
coffee.
with your coffee and everything. Awesome.
Hasn't changed.
Yep, exactly. You get some
Ooh.
cups. Ooh, very
With
nice
some light.
lighting in there.
Nice
You get
shelves.
your ice bucket. In-room delivery. We bought this case of water. It does not come with the room, but
That'd been
you know,
nice.
that's cool. They have a luggage rack, the sheer window coverings, and then the blackout ones, which are this really cool like orange circle design. Hard floors now, no more carpet, which is awesome. All right, so next to the bed, whoa, they hooked us up with the pillow game.
They knew.
And then the same thing on the other side, just not a phone. Awesome little Mickey artwork above the bed, much more modern. You have a coat rack there. This is not an adjoining room, obviously, but I imagine if it were an adjoining room, that's probably about where the door would be. Nice, huge new television. More outlets and USBs. Outlets and USBs. And then you have 3 drawers and it's like a few more spots. The room gets separated from the bathroom with the full door, which is cool. It was just like a curtain before, so that's nice. Adds a little more privacy and sound barrier. If you go into this room, we have very cool, very nice new full stand-up shower.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's cool. I like the drain over there.
Yeah, and it's got the rain shower.
Very nice.
And the normal shower.
Very cool. And then if we go in back into the main area of the bathroom, there's still like nice storage under the sink, which is awesome. There's also 2 little cupboard spots there, 2 more here. Your towels are down there. Really nice big sink. Like this sticks out really far.
And the
It's
lighting
huge.
is nice. We were just talking
And
on
then-
the flight about wanting to do something like this at home.
Yeah, I really like that. Super nice. You got your hair dryer and iron in here. More storage up there if you needed it.
No storage up above the coat rack though.
More of those. Full ironing board. And then, yeah, there's a little closet type space here. Like, that would be great for shoes. You can hang up some of your nicer outfits if you have them. Or coats, because it's cold out right now while we're here. That's the room. Should we pull down the Murphy bed just to see?
Yeah,
Cool. Should we set this guy up and need 2 hands to do it, you think?
probably.
So we set up the camera to do a time lapse because we thought this would take a couple minutes, and so we were like, perfect, let's do a time lapse. And then we started looking at the bottom here, and we were like, wait, maybe it doesn't do it.
We thought we had to move things.
Like Tony thought maybe like our room was just set to be like a permanent table or something because we just like couldn't figure out how to bend stuff. And then I randomly just grabbed at the top there and pulled gently, and it started to come down. So this is super simple, super easy to set up. Like you could do it with one hand. Like,
Hey Lindsay, you want to set the room up for a nice dinner? Done.
boom.
Like, that was so simple.
Incredible.
We take it back down.
Yeah.
Like,
Boom.
I forgot that we were at Pop.
Yeah, right?
Like, it feels like a whole new
Mm-hmm.
type of room.
Absolutely.
Like, everything's been redone. There's nothing remaining of what used to be here.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, but now,
We off.